if I listen to the Quran instead of reading it, will I get the same reward? And will it count as not abandoning the Quran?
This is an issue of dispute, but the majority of scholars say that reading the Quran is more rewarding than listening to it. Why? Number one, this was what the Prophet used to do most of the time, alayhi salatu wasalam. Rarely he used to ask people to recite the Quran to him, as per the hadith of Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him. He said, the Prophet came to me and said, read the Quran. So I said, how can I read the Quran? And to you it was revealed. He says, I like to listen to it from someone else. So he read until Surah An-Nisa, chapter 4, until he reached ayah number 40. And then he said, Hasbuk. And the Prophet was weeping, alayhi salatu wasalam. But this is rare. The majority of that, he was the one reading the Quran and offering night prayer and the likes. So listening to the Quran, no doubt it's rewarding. But is it more attentive to than reading it? No. When you read, you combine all your senses, looking and contemplating and watching visually. But listening is rewarding, and inshallah those who listen to it are rewarded for it, but definitely not as much as reading it, and Allah knows best.